Everybody, including myself, love a clean kitchen, but there's always one culprit that ruins the party. Him. So normally it would be as simple as taking this out and cleaning it. But as you can see with this one, let's just say it survived an attempt to burn down the kitchen disguised as cooking. So since I use this as like my bottle storage, let me clear this out so I can properly work in this area. As you can clearly see, this is the part that we do clean, but this is the part that essentially accumulates on top of this and on under the cabinet that we for the most part can't do anything about. But I'm gonna go ahead and place this and take it from there. And this is my replacement unit. And let's get to it. Packaging. This is why some products weigh so much when you pick them up. Original planka. Maslamos. Might build something with this. Pine. Okay, here we go. So this one comes pre-installed and I have to take it out, feed the wire, then put it back in. House burning, new. House burning, new. As well as from the inside as well, with the carbon filter. And this is, I mean, you can clearly see the difference. This is black turned into brown. But yeah, it is what it is. They've packaged inside a couple of other things, including connections if you want to run this through the extractor on top and blah 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 and all of those things. So this is the Bosch DHU 635HZA. If you're installing a new one, I'll just go through that, and you've never installed it before, what it comes with is this. So this essentially shows you the layout. First things first, remove all the plastic. So all this blue stuff is plastic. There's the old one, there's the new one. I'm gonna keep this for future projects. So with us, since we're not running the extractor through to the ceiling or the roof. We're going to use this blocker here so that the air recirculates and will exit here. And this is all that this does. Is essentially it's a panel that you sort of slide in, align, and then you twist. Let it draw. Should go all the way in. There we go. No? Yes? Yeah. So that way nothing is going to get up to there, which is going to avoid that situation where we have the oil here. It's going to all exit through this hole and through the charcoal filter. And that's essentially what that does. Now, first things first is to run the cable through this. So now it's got a new light, new carbon filter, and a brand new air filter, whatever, or aluminium, steel mesh, goedes dinges filter, and everything is clean. Now would you look at that, everything's new, shiny, clean, no fire hazard, you know? And when I cook, I would actually smell some tea like, So apparently if you use it every day for an hour, it should be replaced on average about every 4 months. So 90 days, 90 hours-ish, depending on how much you cook, give or take 4 to 6 months for the average person. Maybe if you really want to be fill popnyan and stretch it for a year, but generally try to replace it as much as possible, and just have clean air when you're cooking. But now I've tested it, it works, and the steak is ready. So if you like this video, subscribe, like, share, comment, let's have a discussion. Meow. I'll see you on the next one.